How to partition on Mac? In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily partition your hard drive on your Mac. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. To partition on your Mac, start by opening the magnifying icon in the top right corner of your screen and search for Disk Utility. When this opens up, try to find the data drive on your Mac. From here, you can click the partition button. Click the plus and you'll be asked to add a volume or a partition. Since we're specifically focusing on a partition, we're going to go ahead and choose the partition option. Once this comes up, you're able to drag the slider to choose how much space you would like to partition with, or you can just manually type it into this box over here. Go ahead and set the name of what you would like the drive to appear as, and then click Apply and Partition. It does warn you this could take several minutes to several hours, so keep this in mind before starting your partition. Eventually, you should be told that the partition was successful, at which point you are able to click Done. You can also see if I go directly to the computer folder, the test partition is there as well. So perfect, we have it made. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.